discuss about fogging. So fogging is one of the important subjective tests by which we can refine our spherical power. Why is it called refine? Because with the help of a fogging test, we can finalize our spherical power, which we have already determined with the help of retinoscope or auto-refractometer. But what is the importance of fogging? The main importance of fogging is, with the help of a fogging, we can prescribe the maximum class for maximum visual acuity or minimum minus for maximum visual acuity. And the main importance of fogging is, with the help of a fogging, without putting cycloplegic drugs like cyclobin, tropicamide, humide, we can relax our accommodation by using glass lenses. That means the fogging is the best non-cycloplegic method to relax the accommodation. And the main aim of fogging is to prescribe maximum plus spherical power for maximum visual acuity or minimum minus spherical power for maximum visual acuity. Now we will discuss the procedure of fogging. For fogging, first of all, we have to put the spherical power as well as the cylindrical power, which we have already determined by retinoscopy in the trial frame. So in this example, the objective value which we have found out by retinoscopy is plus 1.75, and for fogging we have to put plus 1 or plus 1.5 depending on the accommodation of the patient. We have to keep it over this power. So we put plus 1 over our objective value, and because of this extra power, this will drop visual acuity by 2 to 3 lines. That's why you should ask the patient to read the 6 by 12 line instead of asking to read 6 by 6. Obviously, patient can read only the 6 by 12 line because of this using extra this plus power. Then you have to reduce the plus power in 0.25 diopter step. And while removing, always keep in mind that first you have to remove. You have to place the new glass here, then you have to remove the old one like this, and ask the patient to read the next line 6 by 12, 6 by 9, and you have to gradually reduce the plus power. First plus 0.75, then put plus 0.5, then remove the old plus 0.75 here. Now when you put plus 0.25 here, now patient reported he can see 6 by 6 line comfortably and doesn't feel any difference between plus 0.25 or plano. For that case, you have to advise plus 0.25 here. That means with plus 2 or 2.25 in this example, patient can read 6 by 6 line comfortably. But the main aim of fogging is to prescribe maximum plus. For that case, you have to advise plus 2.25 instead of prescribing plus 2. But if the spherical power is minus, say for it is minus 1.25, and with minus 1 also patient can read 6 by 6. But for that case, we have to advise minimum minus or maximum visual acuity. But in case of plus, we have to advise maximum plus. For example, minus 1.25 or minus 1. If the patient doesn't feel any difference in clarity of vision, then you have to advise minus 1. But in case of plus 1.25 or plus 1, we have to advise plus 1.25 because it's the maximum plus. We have to advise for maximum visual acuity. This is the fogging. Thank you.